Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Starting off today's makeup with some skin prep. This is the Cetaphil cleanser that I've used, and following up with the Believe Numero 10 essence, and I've also used moisturizing balm and aqua balm to keep my skin well hydrated. Following up with this Nivea lip balm. It's also important to keep your lips hydrated and well moisturized. Going in firstly with this Inside 3-in-1 primer to lock the moisture in, and then taking up the sugar foundation and blending it out on my skin pretty well. So I've used it on one side of my face and you can clearly see the difference with and without foundation. Also, let's just ignore my swollen face. Going in with the concealer for my T-zone and my eye areas. So I'm picking this dark brown eyeshadow from my palette and I'm just going to use it as a contour and basically contouring the cheekbone, jawline and my forehead. Always make sure to blend it out really well so that there are no harsh lines visible. Next, I'm going in with the bronzer on the same areas, plus I'm also going to bronze up my nose a little. I'm using a fluffy angular brush here to give me more precision, and it just helps me blend out really well and carve out the shape of my nose. Now I'm going to set the concealer in place with help of this Blue Heaven powder. Now I'm again using a fluffy brush here just to set the concealed areas. Going in with a blush to add some color to my face. And you can see I'm placing it directly on my cheekbone just to give my face a little bit of more structure. So now I'm going to fix everything in place with this makeup fixer. So coming down to my eyes, I'm using this Maybelline pencil for my eyebrows and I'm just going to fill in the areas wherein I have gaps. I'm just going to be following the natural shape of my eyebrows and I'm going to fill in the areas wherein I have gaps. So I'll remove the excess powder with a spoolie and I'll set everything in place with a mascara. Now with help of a fluffy brush, I'm bronzing up my eyes a little bit just to give it a shape. You can see I've added a little bit of sellotape because I'm going to be making a wing liner and I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick from Sugar. This is in the shade 01 and I'm going to directly apply on my eyelids. While using a lipstick, you always need to make sure that you use in little amounts because it is highly pigmented. And with the help of a pencil brush, I'm going to just blend it out on half of my lid. And I'm going to pick this red eyeshadow from Nika K palette, and I'm going to go in and set the lipstick in place with this eyeshadow. Picking a light brown eyeshadow from my palette and blending it in on the crease so that there are no harsh lines visible. So I'm using this eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics and I'm going to be drawing a wing liner here. Once I'm done making the wing liner, I'm going to remove the sellotape. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to be using this golden shimmer shade just to highlight my inner corners. Now the last step for the eyes is to use some mascara, and here I'm using the Maybelline one. Always make sure to cover your lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going in with some highlighter. So I'm not going to be highlighting too much, just the right amount, because I want my lips and my eyes to be the center of attraction for this look. Using the same liquid lipstick that I used for my eyes, I'm going to set this up with this orangish red lipstick from Oriflame. So this is the final look, you guys. You can pair this with any of your outfits for any of the Christmas parties that you have, since it's very Christmassy. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas.